Welcome back, students, in the series of online classes. In our previous class, we have discussed some question from area of triangle chapter by Heron's formula of exercise 12.2. So, in today's class also, we are proceeding or discuss few more questions from the exercise 12.2. So today's our first question is that an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. Each piece each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Children, in this question there is a umbrella having 10 triangular pieces, and cloth of the triangular pieces are of two colors, and the size of each triangular pieces are 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. Now the question is asking that what is the area of each colored cloth of the umbrella. The students, in this question, first we will find the area of each triangular cloth, triangular shape piece of cloth. The size of whose triangular size is given 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So, taking these three sides as the sides of triangle, first we calculate its semi-perimeter. That is S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So, on further moving it, we put the value for A equals to 20 centimeter, B equals to 50 centimeter and C equals to 50 centimeter. So, we have 20 plus 50 by 2. Further on solving it, we got 120 by 2, which will go by 60 times. So, the value of S equals to 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. We are going to calculate the area of these triangular pieces. So now area of each triangular piece will be equal to the area of triangle by Heron's formula, that is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. This is Heron's formula. So here you have the value for S is 60 centimeter and value for A is 20 centimeter, value for B is 50 centimeter and value for C is 50 centimeter. So now substituting the value of S, A, B, C respectively. So now we have 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50. Further on solving this, 60 into 60 minus 20 equals to 40 into 60 minus 50 into 10 into 60 minus 50 equals to 10. So On further factorizing, 60 can be written like this, 3 into 20. 40 can be written like this, 20 into 2, and 10 into 10. So here 20 and 10 are in the pair. So we take out 120 and 110 outside the square root. So now we have 20 into 10, and 3 and 2 are not in the pair. So it will be under the square root. So their product of 3 and 2 will become 6. So finally we have 20 into 10, that is 200. 200 under root 6 centimeter square is the area of one each triangular pieces of the cloth. Now area of 10 such triangular pieces is 10 into 200 under root 6. So further on multiplying it, 2000 root 6 centimeter square is the required area of 10 triangular pieces. Now area of cloth of each color, since these two colored clothes having two types of color, so divide the area of all these triangular pieces by 2, that is 2000 root 6 by 2, which will we got 1000 root under 6 centimeter square is the required answer. Now proceeding to the next question. The next question is a kite in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 centimeter, means a diagonal of a square is given 32 centimeter, and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter. Each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Suppose this is a shape of a kite which include a square ABCD having its diagonal 32 centimeter, and there is an isosceles triangle, that is CEF, whose base is of 8 centimeter and their two equal sides are of 6 centimeter each. Now this kite has used 3 shades, that is 3 different color. This one represent one shade, 2 represent another shade, and third, this part 3 represents another shade. Now we have to find the area of each shade has been used in this kite. So first of all, we will calculate the area of this square and divide it into two parts. Divide it by 2, because we know that diagonal of a square divide it into two equal area. So the area of part 1 is equal to area of part 2. And this part 3 is an isosceles triangle. So we calculate the area of isosceles triangle, and that will be the area of part third. So let's see how it will be solved. So first of all, we are going to calculate the area of the square. So we know that the area of a square equals to half into diagonal square. This is a formula for area of a square whenever their diagonal is given, because a square has two diagonals and both diagonals are equal. So whenever the diagonal of a square is given, we have to use this formula for calculating the area of a square. So area of a square equals to half into diagonal square, and here diagonal 32 centimeter is given. So substitute the value of diagonal, that is equal to half into 32 into 32. So 32 will go by 2 by 16 times. So we have now 32 into 16, that is equal to 512 centimeter square. This is the area of a square side. That is, it includes the area of shade of part 1 as well as part 2. So area of paper of for shade 1 and 2 each will be equal to 512 by 2, that is equal to 256 centimeter square of paper required for part 1, and 256 centimeter square paper is also required for part 2 only. Now come to this isosceles triangle ECF. So area of isosceles triangle CEF equals to b by 4 under root 4a square minus b square. This is the formula for area of isosceles triangle, where b represents the base of triangle and a represents the equal sides of the triangle. So area of isosceles triangle is equal to b by 4 under root 4a square minus b square. So here the value of b is 8 centimeter and value of a is 6 centimeter. So substituting the value for a and b in this expression, so we have 8 by 4 under root 4 into a square, that is 6k square, minus b square, that is 8 square. Here b equals to 8 and a equals to 6. So 4 to 8, so it will go by 2 times. So we have 2 under root 4 into 36, 6k square 36 minus 64. On further solving it, we have 2 under root 4 into 36 will be equal to 144 minus 8 square, that is 64. So we have 2 under root 144 minus 64 equals to 80. And whenever we factorize it, we can write 80 as 16 into 5. And 16 is a perfect square whose square root is 4. So when you take out 4 as outside the root, you will have 4 to 8 under root 5. Now you find the square root of 5 and multiply it by 8, you will get the area of this part third. So area of paper of part third will be equal to 8 under root 5 centimeter square is the required area. Now coming on the next question. The question is, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. There is a field which is in the shape of trapezium. Suppose ABCD is a field which is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides AB and DC are 25 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively, and whose non-parallel sides are AD and BC respectively of 14 centimeter and 13 centimeter each. Now you are supposed to find the area of this trapezium. Okay, to calculate the area of this trapezium, we need to do some construction. The construction is that from C, draw a line CE parallel to DA. Now construction is what? From C, draw a line CE that is parallel to DA. So now DA is parallel to CE and DC was parallel to AE. So AECD becomes a parallelogram. And when it is parallelogram, then their opposite sides must be equal. So when DC is 10 centimeter, then AE is also 10 centimeter. And when AD was 14 centimeter, then its opposite CE was also 14 centimeter. So, and since AB was 25 centimeter and AE is 10 centimeter, so EB will be equal to 15 centimeter. Hence, we have all three sides of triangle CEB, that is 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So we will calculate the area of this triangular part CEB first by using Heron's formula. So now in triangle BEC, semiperimeter S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. And here suppose A equals to 13, B equals to 14 and C equals to 15. So we have 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. Which on added we got 42 by 2. So 42 will go by 2 by 21 times. So we have the value of S equals to 21 centimeter. That is the semi-perimeter. Now applying the Heron's formula for calculating the area of triangle BEC. By this formula we have the area of triangle equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Here the value for S is 21, A is 13, B is 14 and C is 15. So substituting the value of S and ABC respectively. So we have 21 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15. On further solving it, we have 21 into 21 minus 13 will be 8, 21 minus 14 will be 7, 21 minus 15 will be 6. So on further solving it, 21 can be expressed like 7 into 3 and 8 can be expressed like 2 into 2 into 2. Leave 7 as it is and 6 can be written in the form of 3 into 2. So now we can see that in this expression 7 is in pair, 3 is in pair, and 2 2's are in pair. So take out these. So on further multiplying it, we have 7 into 3 21 into 2 42 into 2 84 centimeter square. So this 84 centimeter square is the required area of the triangle BEC. So we apply the another formula for the area of triangle BEC, that is equal to half into base into height, because we have to calculate the height of the triangle also. So as you now we know the area of triangle BEC, that is 84 centimeter square. So half into base of the triangle is 15 centimeter, into height is not known. So put the height, that is equal to 84 centimeter. Further on solving it, we can have height equals to 84 into 2 by 15. This is the height of the triangle as well as the height of the trapezium also. Now we know that the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height or distance between them. So here the parallel sides of trapezium were 25 centimeter and 10 centimeter. And now we have calculated its height, that is 84 into 2 by 15. So substitute these all values. So we have here 1 by 2 into 25 plus 10 into 84 into 2 by 15. So on further solving it, we have 1 by 2 into 35 into 84 into 2 by 15. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 7 ja 35. So from 3 to 84 will go as 28 times. So now we have 7 into 28 only, which on further multiplying we got 196 centimeter square is the required area of the trapezium.